volunteer work could be the solution. Fox 55's Troyce Grant has more in our story.
Volunteering could be a key component when it comes to improving your mental health. And that's exactly what student-led Key Clubs are trying to support. The Key Clubs are affiliated with the Kiwanis Youth Programs. The organization works to bring local service clubs to communities, but with an emphasis on improving the mental health of teens. Michelle Studi Campbell from Kiwanis says the goal is to make mental health more of a priority in teenagers.
So we are an international organization, and we have partnered with a group called Erica's Lighthouse to provide free resources for teachers, parents, and our students. We have about 250,000 students globally, high school students, and we are looking at service as a solution for mental health.
Xander Tuttle is over the local Key Club at Homestead High School. His goal for the club is to make sure everyone feels included and connected with their local community.
Talk to community leaders in the Fort Wayne and Northern Wells County area to just see what volunteer opportunities there are. So just making sure that there's plenty of opportunities and ways that the students can impact their community as best as possible.
And Campbell says these clubs are needed now more than ever.
Across the nation and also here in Indiana is an increase in emergency room visits for self-harm. We see an increase in students reporting that they're seeking help for their mental issues and mental wellness topics, and coupled with the fact that there's simply a shortage of help and therapists.
That's why Tuttle is adamant on making sure everyone in his club feels included. By having a community to lean on makes getting through tough things more manageable.
I want to get my home club kind of more intermingled with all the other clubs, just to make sure that everybody knows each other, and maybe doing some like community events as a district or something like that, just to get everybody to know each other and just building our community. And as a club, I know that we have a lot of work we can still do, so I want to make sure that through maybe committees or teams or something like that, that everybody is able to have a community that they can fall back on.
And having groups like these encourages more open dialogue about mental health, and students are more likely to look out for one another. And if you are struggling, Campbell says help is always readily available, and you can call the 988 Suicide and Crisis Lifeline. There are actually 112 Key Clubs across the state in schools. So if you're looking for a way to not only help yourself, but your community, you're encouraged to join. Reporting in Southwest Allen County, I'm Troyce Grant, Fox 55 News.